Povijest Motovuna!
The film has probably had the warmest reception by the public of any film that we've shown here in Motovuna over the last 2 years. It's the first film that's had a standing ovation, and that's a credit to the work of these two people here.
The prize for the best film at the Motovuna Film Festival goes to Billy Elliot. Meine Damen und Herren, Mesdames et Messieurs, Ladies und Gentlemen, dragi gledalci, poštovani putnici, fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a bumpy night. I've got the great honor to introduce to you two very good friends of the Motovuna Film Festival. And I'd like to welcome Jamie Bell, its star, and Stephen Daldry to the podium.
Thank you very much. We were very lucky last year to win the award at Motovuna for Billy Elliot. The film went to many festivals around the world. For us, Motovuna was always not only the first festival we came to, but the most important festival. And we wanted to come back this year to thank not just the jury, but also the audience that had given us such support and given us, in fact, such a great year. So we thank you. This afternoon, over 3 hours, we made we all made a short film, and this is it. I do hope you won't be offended. It's just a short film about Motovuna.
Is undoubtedly the best film festival that certainly we've ever been to, and we look forward to being here next year. It's my 6th time in Motovuna, and it's become an essential part of my annual calendar, as I think it is for most people. It's amazing how many people come back over the years. It demands a great loyalty, does Motovuna Film Festival. Yeah, no, the handbrake's on. No, it's stuck. It's not going anywhere. We won't be out of here for a few hours.
What does it mean in English?
Moje sise su prevelike. Moje sise su
Show it. Let me see it. Show me it. Lift it up so I can see it. Let me see what you've written. Let me see it. Thank you very much. What does it say?